2022, a survey revealed that numerous working professionals faced resume rejections due to lack of essential elements that could not differentiate them from the competition. Join us as we unveil expert tips for crafting an outstanding resume in 2023 and secure your dream job in this thriving industry. Tip 1. Maximize impact and minimize length. Learn how to make every word count by strategically condensing your resume without compromising its effectiveness. Tip 2. Format matters. Discover the importance of a clean and professional formatting that can not only catch the eye but also presents its information in an organized and easily scannable manner. Tip 3. Work experience listing format. Master the art of structuring your work experience sections to highlight your accomplishments, responsibilities, and the impact you made in your previous role. Tip 4. Incorporate technical skills. Highlight your technical expertise, encompassing various tools, programming languages, and methodologies to provide prospective employers with a comprehensive understanding of your skills. Tip 5. Highlight relevant projects. Discover effective techniques to present data science projects featuring problem statements, methodologies, and impactful outcomes that highlight your skills. Tip 6. Showcase domain expertise. Leverage domain expertise in healthcare, finance, or e-commerce to showcase your understanding of industry challenges and solutions in data science. Follow these super helpful tips and get one step closer to landing your dream job. For more resume tips and free resume templates, click on the link mentioned in the description box.